Another thing to look out for is the two different supplies for your Christmas tree lights. We've got two different sets, but they look virtually identical. The fundamental difference of these two sets are the plug tops. You notice you've got a smaller plug top here and a considerably bigger plug top here. This is because this set is designed to run off your main supply. This set with the bigger plug top has got a transformer inside that reduces your main voltage to a much lower working voltage. Now, if you get to unpacking your Christmas tree lights and you do notice that your plug top's missing, some of you amateur DIYers might be tempted to change the plug top. You do not do this, as you cannot tell what effect it's going to have on your lights. These two components have significantly failed. The blackening within this component here is because there's been actually a small explosion within that, causing that blackening. The component next to it has actually had part of the casing blown off, and the inside of the component has started to leak out on the side here. Now, if a spark was to come off from one of those and catch a dry Christmas tree, that could cause a catastrophic fire in your home.